Hello everyone, welcome to the part 1 of Django series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Django on your machine. Okay, Django is a free and open source web framework. A web framework is a set of components used to develop website easier and faster way. So to install Django on your machine, you have to install Python virtual environment. We use Python virtual environment to create an isolated environment for project. Okay, every project has its own dependency. If I create a website using Django, so it is necessary to install Django on my machine. So let me explain you by an example. I created a game, 2D game using Pygame modules and which installed in virtual environment, and I try to run this file after the 10 year. You can think, I think it won't run at that time because at that time many things may changed. So in this case, virtual environment is become very useful. So if I created a virtual environment and if I installed Pygame module there at that times while I is creating the file, and I use the same virtual environment after the 30 years, 40 years to run the file, it should run without any problem. Actually, virtual environment is copying or cloning Python interpreter uh, and all Python interpreter and all the things. It's create the separate environment or its own environment for the project. So to install virtual environment, open command prompt and type pip install virtual env wrapper-win. So it take time, it installing. So it installed. Okay, I'm not creating the virtual environment. So to create a virtual environment, just simply type mkvirtualenv and the virtual environment name. For now, I want to give test. Okay, it is creating. I don't know why this is talking. It automatically created env folder. Okay, I will show you. So if I go to, okay, you can see my virtual environment is installed successfully. So I don't know, it is stuck in here. Why? Okay, you can see if I refresh it, this is my virtual environment, and okay, you can see it is I'm on a virtual environment. So let's open it again. To activate the virtual environment, just simply type Oeken and the virtual environment name you want to work with. So I have only one, so I have no choice. Okay, now I'm in test 2366. To install Django, just simply type pip Django and hit enter, so it takes time. Okay, Django is successfully installed. To check the version of the Django, just simply type admin --- version and hit enter. So 3.1 is the version of Django installed on my machine. So to create a Django project, just simply type Django-admin and start. Okay, first let's create a folder to put the Django project. So let's create a new folder called okay. Okay, let's move on the folder and to create a new Django project, just simply type Django-admin and start project and the name of the project. Okay, I want to keep blog. Okay, so hit enter. So if I open the folder I created before, so this is my Django project. So if I open it, you can see there are 5 files. I will explain each of them in coming videos. For now, just run the server. To run the Django server, just simply type okay. At first I want to go here, so I want to go in blog. So to go blog, just change directory and folder name blog, and to run the server just simply type python manage.py run server. Okay, now you can see my server is successfully running. If I copy this server and open it in browser, okay, now you can see Django is successfully installed and Django project is successfully running on my machine. So if you guys have any confusion, or if you stopped it somewhere, or if you does not understand the command, please comment down below. I appreciate that. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, thank you very much.